What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is a fourth stimulus check update. Today is May 1st. Let's get right to the very first article. USA and the world politics. There's a new stimulus package on the way, and will there be new stimulus checks? If you didn't watch my last video, I basically talked about it over a week ago that my source told me allegedly Joe Biden will be putting out a fourth and a fifth stimulus package. Everything that my source told me actually is occurring live, and as we see right here, everything my source told me came out to be true. President Biden unveiled a new stimulus package on Wednesday. Shocker, my source actually told me this was going to happen. Here's what actually include in this new stimulus package. Will there be fourth stimulus checks? We'll get more on this article later. And then we have this article right here. A seventh round of stimulus checks are out for delivery. Expert answers stimulus payment questions as more people start receiving their stimulus check. Basically, to quickly summarize this article, a seventh round of stimulus checks was sent out, and people can expect to receive them both via direct deposit and in their mailboxes. So you definitely want to check your bank account. But just like the last article, we will go more in depth into the details and summarize both these articles. But I want to take 1 second out this video to let you know I post daily videos. Every single day I upload one, if not two videos daily. And in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment the color red. Again, you must hit that like and subscribe button, comment the color red or a red emoji, any emoji as long as it's red. So far I've given away over $23,800 all out my own pocket. Over 1,400 people have received free Amazon gift cards. Just ask anyone in the comments. Let's get back to the very first article. Basically, just like my source told me and actually ended up coming true, Biden did confirm right here. President Biden unveiled a new stimulus package, and as it states right here, President Joe Biden unveiled a new $1.8 trillion stimulus package, just like I said they would. That looks like to extend a universal preschool, community college, and a new paid leave program. Basically, the plan, called the American Families Plan, will include a number of tax hikes for the payment program. As it says right here, the new stimulus package, if approved by Congress, Democrats, and Republicans, just like my source told me right now, and this whole time, Democrats, Republicans are trying to come to an agreement, and Joe Biden told my source that if the Democrats, Republicans can come to an agreement and actually put out a form, official stimulus package, Joe Biden will sign it into law. Bam, it looks like everything they told me again was correct, and this is what it will include, right? The new stimulus package will include the very first thing, the first bulletin, an extension of the child tax credit, aka $300 a month every single month. They want to extend it through 2025. Comment below right now if you remember me saying over a week ago, the year is 2021. I said 4 years, guys. I said 4 years, that they're looking to extend the $300 monthly unemployment for 4 years, which would actually end up being through 2025. Comment below if you remember me saying this, and if you're watching live, please hit that like button, share this video, let people know. Not only that, the second bulletin right here, universal preschool program for children ages 3 to 4. Again, he wants to get people in school younger. I like that. I want to see more people, more educated at an early age. 2 years of free community college to all American adults, including dreamers, guys. Finally, a new national paid family free program, which offers up to $4,000 per month. I said thousands of dollars a month. A lot of people didn't agree with me. Bam, as you see here, world news, family free program, which offers up to $4,000 per month until the year 2025. We have a lot more things to talk about, guys. Basically, if you want to watch this, Google this article. I'm not going to read every single thing, but basically this is USA and the world politics, breaking news as of last night, 11 p.m. And then this article right here, basically I'm not allowed to play videos on my channel because I don't get enough views. I'm not popular. That's literally the reason why I'm being censored. There's things I can't show. I can't play videos. I can't say certain things. Not only that, I can't answer specific one-on-one questions regarding taxes because I'm not a qualified licensed tax professional. I have to refer you to the IRS. Please, if you want to support me, if you want to stop the censorship, please hit that like button, share this on Facebook, share this on Twitter, Instagram, whatever social media you have. Please tell people, let people know, word of mouth. Like I said, daily videos, daily updates, daily free Amazon gift card giveaways. Ask anybody in the comments if they actually received a free Amazon gift card, and if you actually did receive one, please comment below saying it's legit. I want people to know I gave away over 1,400 free Amazon gift cards. And finally, hit this white join button. If you do want to become a member, you get a diamond next name that changes colors. If you see someone in the comment section with a diamond next to their name, that's because they're a member. You get members only exclusive emojis, members only exclusive content, community tab, members only pictures, polls, live streams, giveaways. Every single video, before it becomes a video, I literally go live for my members only. They get to see it live before anyone else, and then it becomes a video. If you do want to ask me questions, email me. I do respond to every single member. Hit this white join button, only 99 cents. Enter the giveaway. That's it for today, guys. Have a great weekend. Peace.